Mathematical concept that resonated most with me is procedural fluency. A student who uses procedural fluency has a grasp and great understanding of mathematical rules and symbols. So everything in mathematics stands as a symbol, and how to utilize them and carry them out rests with procedural fluency. So a student may start with the rules and review the regulations. So the do's and don'ts of mathematics fuel the skill of procedural fluency. A student can acknowledge symbols and achieve flexibility in their problem-solving approach through different problem-solving techniques. Again, a student may know the basics, so reviewing mathematical concepts is heavily weighted in procedural fluency. A student can grasp basic concepts and the rules of carrying out mathematic procedures. A student is also flexible in their approach, so how one may decide to problem solve can be unique, but it relies on a basic understanding of mathematical rules and procedures to carry out solving the actual problem. Again, procedural fluency is fueled through creativity, which is awesome. So different mathematical tricks and techniques can be used to solve any type of problem, but it's also heavily weighted in understanding mathematical concepts. Math is fun, so a student who is procedurally fluent can have a good grasp on their own understanding of mathematical rules and regulations and be able to carry out any problem that comes their way, as long as there's a good grasp of understanding for mathematical rules.